What's up, guys? Welcome to your second Android tutorial, and what we're going to do in this tutorial is again some boring stuff like installing software. And the software we're going to install is Eclipse. So go into Google, type in Eclipse or download Eclipse. I'm going to say Eclipse download, and it should be the first link from eclipse.org/downloads. We're going to click on that, and basically what Eclipse is an IDE which will make developing a lot easier for us. It's going to give us some error checking, some shortcuts, just basically some references, so we won't have to remember exactly every line of code that we're going to use for the most part by memory. It's going to be a lot simpler for the most part, and that's how we're going to integrate the SDK as well. So here we go. There's a lot of choices for Eclipse that we can download. What we want is the Eclipse IDE for Java developers, and over here is your platform. It should choose it automatically for you, but just in case, you can click Windows or Mac OS. And we're going to download the 32-bit. Even if you have a 64-bit, we're just going to work with 32-bit for now, so it doesn't, whatever. So we'll click that, and here's your download links. Down here you can choose some other links that you may want to download from. That might go a little bit quicker. Or you can just select this this one that they're featuring for the most part. So just click that, and it's a standard download. As you can see right here, I already have it downloaded because it's almost 100 megabytes. I'm actually going to install it for you guys because this computer doesn't have it set up for the most part. So there we go. We install it. I'm going to try and find it, make sure I install it in the right place. Yeah, under my downloads right here. What I'm going to do is now move this whole folder into my hard drive, or for you Windows users, your main hard drive, which is like your C drive. So just move it into that folder, and then we're going to open it up by opening the Eclipse folder and clicking this icon, which basically looks like a croquet ball or like, I don't know, a third grader's painting or something. So open that up, and that's going to start our Eclipse. Yeah, we know it's from the internet. We're going to show it anyways, or open it anyways, because we're trusting like that. And it's going to start up Eclipse, and here's the workspace that we're going to create. Now basically, I'm using my buddy's computer, which is Jake, but basically we're going to set up a new workspace, and we're also going to do this within our documents for the most part. What we're going to call this workspace, or we're going to create it by right-clicking or clicking this new folder here and saying the new Boston. Now this is where we're going to again create a workspace, and what a workspace is the way to organize all of our Java classes, all our resources that we want to use, and all that good stuff. So we're going to call that the new Boston. Hit open, and now that's where our documents are. Now we're just going to click OK. And also, for you guys wondering, the Java JDK that we installed last time, most likely Eclipse will still work, even if you guys don't download that, because it's going to have some sort of Java on your computer. But you guys wanted to get the most recent one so we could use it for like Google Maps and signing our project and getting it onto the marketplace, which we'll get into later. But now we have Eclipse set up. We exited out of, sorry, I kind of skipped over that, but there's a welcome screen. It's boring, ugly, and from the 1980s or something. So we exited out of that welcome screen. The X was up here somewhere. So just click that, and then you'll get this, which is basically the layout of Eclipse. And what we're going to do is set up the ADT reference. So what I want you guys to go to, or where I want you guys to go now, is in Google, type in Android ADT. Hit enter, and it'll be this first link from the developerandroid.com page /SDK/Eclipse ADT. Click that, and here's the developer page. It should be on this page. If not, but you guys are on the developer page, you guys can click right here where it says ADT plugin for Eclipse, and scroll down to the point where it says installing the ADT plugin and downloading the ADT plugin. So it gives us a link. What we're going to do is copy this link by Control-C or Command-C, whatever you guys are on, Windows or Mac. And then we're going to copy that link, and what we're going to do now is go back into Eclipse, and under this Windows tab for if you guys are on Windows, it should be under the Windows tab, and right down here there'll be a or I'm sorry, no, I'm sorry. On both the Windows and Mac, it's under the Help tab, and it says install new software. So we're going to click that, and we're going to now paste that link right here and hit add. Now we can add a name to this, so we're going to just add a name, so Android ADT, and again you guys can paste the link right here. That's the location link, and hit OK. And it's basically going to get the developer tools for us that we're going to need for Android programming. So that might take a little bit. We're just going to click this, hit next, and our computer will freeze and probably crash. No, I'm just kidding. So there you go. Now we just hit next again. You guys should have 4 things within there as well, and we have to accept this license agreement for all of these as well. So just do that and read through those again, because it's super entertaining, great stuff within these agreements. Just hilarious, the comedy in there. It's, oh man, it's such a great read. So if you guys want to read that, otherwise just hit accept and finish, and it's going to install the software for us. And then I'll catch up with you guys in the next tutorial where we'll, do some more fun installing software. So, but soon enough we'll get into the programming and the actual great stuff that we want to do. But basically that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys later. Peace.